Hi guys, welcome back to Jamaican Girl TV, and this is the finished product of the soup. Look at it. Wow, now it's really cooked. This is it. It's a big pot because we love soup. We can leave some for tomorrow. There goes the chicken feet. Wow. And yellow yam and dumpling. And we have a little um pig feet pigtail in it. Sorry about that. We have a little pigtail in it. And we have some dumpling. And we put some noodle. And we have some red peas. And we put carrot and chocho and all the good stuff. There goes the pepper. We have to get rid of the pepper. Oh, that wouldn't be nice. It would not be nice if too much pepper. There we go, guys. Here goes the chicken feet, thyme and scallion. Okay, and white flour dumpling. I made some wheat one for myself. Okay, guys, we're gonna get some soup. Get some peas. Let's get piece of pumpkin in this one. Get me a cup, Easton. Pigtail in it. Yes. This is gonna be goody. Here goes the pigtail. We get a cup to help us pick the soup up, scoop the soup up. We use a cup because it's a lot of soup. We do it like that. Look, guys, we do it like this. So that is it. Wow, look rich and nice. Okay, guys, very, very nice. Jamaican Girl TV, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, guys? Thank you all for watching. Have a great evening.